Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 25 of my birthday card a day September 2023 series. I am in the last week of this series. So let's get to what I used to create today's card. I used the Trinity Stamps Transparent Sparkle Enamel Dots. I used the My Favorite Things Birth-Yay Stamp Set. I just think those are so fun and cute. And I was thinking about it the other day. There was quite a while that I did not use animal stamps very much because I was terrified to color them. And now I seem to use quite a bit of them. Just funny how we go through like a progression in our crafting. I used an old Blueprints 18 Dynamics from My Favorite Things. And you guessed it, My Favorite Things A2 Stitched Rectangles Stack Set 1. And then I also used this paper pad from Michael's. It's a Recollections Hot Buy Happy Cake Day. It's a super fun paper pad. And then onto the card that I created. I did put the birthday sentiment on the inside, but there are those critters. I used some Glossy Accents this time, and I had to kind of giggle because I don't like it as much as I like the Pink and Main Touch of Gloss. I got bubbles, but it is what it is. That paper has some foiling. I did add some stickles, so every animal has Glossy Accents and stickles on them somewhere. I used those dies to make the stars, and then I put those clear sparkle dots on there. And then on the inside, I put It's Your Birthday, Let's Celebrate You. And that was the outline of one of the stars. So there is my card for day 25. I have to say, I'm excited that it's the last week. And I also have to say it will be sometime I feel, could be wrong, that before I make another birthday card. Like I said, I could be wrong, could just be a pattern that I just keep going. I don't know. Really kind of reaching that burnout on birthday cards though. But 5 more days, I got this. I got this. October might not have as many videos on my channel, but then November will have a tag-a-day. And I think I liked the tag-a-day November a little bit more than this birthday card series because I can do any kind of occasion or anything, not just like birthday specific. And I have so many fun tag dies and all that stuff. Anyways, I will let you be. I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 26. And until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.